today we're doing one Vaxuall Astra, Vectra and Astra and Corsa. That's the pump. ABS pump is on there. Common problem, water go inside and is damaged. So if you have the problem like that, you have to put the machine. If I am gonna do that bit, we're gonna show you what is exactly machine saying when you diagnose the car. We have to go in electronics brake control module and need to read the code, what code is coming. That's the common problem. C0110 pump motor circuit is showing malfunction and open. Could be the problem is in the electronics control module itself. We need to recondition that bits, but it's a common problem. That code is coming C0110, C0110, and this is the Astra 2013, and the customer complaining about sometime is coming on, sometime coming off. Traction control light and ABS is intermittent problem. So if you have the problem like that, so you can bring the car to us, or you can bring the ABS pump to us, and we can sort it out for you in like 3-4 hours, and you can drive back to the home, and car will be ready. If you need my help, my phone number is 07402536382, and we are in Hounslow, postcode Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, Hounslow Motor Limited, and my name is Mr. Terry. You can call anytime, you can send the message through WhatsApp, and we're gonna sort it out for you. Okay, thanks. You can watch my other videos. Thanks, bye.